Hi guys, welcome back once again to howtogreatfood.com. Today I will show you how to cook Thai fried chicken wings. This is so easy. So these are our ingredients: chicken wings, Thai paste, lime leaves, sugar, flour, and of course we will use some water and cooking oil. Let's get started. Okay, let's start. In a mixing bowl, I have a cold water in here. First, the red Thai paste. Now the salt and the flour. So we will make a paste in here, so that once we marinate the chicken, it will catch up all this mixture. Okay, this is done. Now our wings. Okay, of course my hand is clean. Let's marinate this. Let this sit for 1 hour maximum, and this is ready to fry. Okay, after this, once we marinate this and then we store this for about 1 hour, we will move now to the second step. Okay, let's start our Thai fried chicken wings. In a wok, hot oil. First, we're gonna fry the lime leaves and set aside. We will use this later. 1 second or 3 seconds. This is fine. Now we'll start frying our wings. Well, I can smell now the aroma of the lime leaves that I fried. Okay, we will cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes and we will go for the next step. Okay, our Thai fried chicken wings is ready. I will turn off the heat. And then my plate has a kitchen tissue. And this is ready to serve. I will add now the toppings of the lime leaves. Okay guys, this is our finished product of Thai fried chicken wings. So we will add now our lime leaves. Just break it at the top. I'm sure you will love this one. Enjoy! Thank you very much for watching howtogreatfood.com. See you next time. Bye.